Meaning of hitcher.
hitcher,
Hitcher.
hitcher,
Hitcher. The term hitcher refers to someone who hitches or catches a ride with another person or vehicle. It can also refer to a person who attaches or fastens something, such as a trailer, to a vehicle for transportation. The act of hitching a ride is often associated with travel and adventure, as it allows people to explore new places and meet new people. However, it can also be risky and dangerous, particularly if the hitchhiker is traveling alone. Hitchhiking has also become less common and more stigmatized in recent years due to safety concerns.